Yo, what's up, YouTube? See this dude behind me in the garbage? He always going foraging in the garbage. He like forages, literally. Look at him. He'll go from garbage to garbage. Look, see him? He'll go from garbage to garbage and eat out the garbage. Look at him. See him? And he can't walk. Watch him. Watch him. Here he comes. Here he comes. Play with him.
Times 105, one more track 17.
He got a haircut. He used to have his hair like this. What? You gonna probably gonna go to the? He's gonna go to the next garbage spot. We're gonna watch him. How you guys doing? And he's on his way to the next garbage. He probably walks like that from eating out the garbage all them years, and it done fucked his system up. I'm not making fun of him. I'm just saying it is what it is. Let me see what's on. No, I'm out here fucking. That's it. There you go. There you go. You gotta walk and hold on to something. He's gonna walk and hold on to something. He's going to the next garbage. He's gonna forage for some food and soda. He's going to the next garbage. Look at him. Going to the next garbage over there. He just goes from garbage to garbage all day and he got the garbage. See? Yeah, no. See, he didn't find anything. I guess he's going to the next garbage.
You want to get tea, right?
Yeah, he found some cinnamon buns. Found some cinnamon buns.
And look, I have a...
He's off to the next garbage. And he doesn't look hungry. He got a nice little stomach. He eats well. That's America, man. That's what the country produces. Capitalism. Bloomberg is worth billions. Then you got a man out here eating out the garbage. Life is a bitch.